Chisa Kukula Izenzo New Zimbabwe New beginning New Zimbabwe New beginning Chisa Chinja Maitiro Chinja Ezoko Kaona slogan ya pfumba kusvika payasvika kurakidza kuti ngoma yapfumba, ruyo rwapfumba, musangano wapfumba. FDC iri muhana dzevazhinji munyika, iri mupfungwa nemudangariro dzevazhinji. Ndosaka muchiona ZANU-PF inoziva kuti hakuna chazezesa kunze kwebato rimwe chete, bato revanhu, the People's Party, FDC, yamunoziva. Allow me kutenda mkuru wepati akaitanga Dr. Richard Morgan Tsvangirai. Makansela zvakakodzera kuti tinge tichipedzera pano. Engineer Mzuri. After 2 days of a historic event and development, pano ndo pamusha mkuru yainzave South takaichinja yakunzi Morgan Tsvangirai House. Kureva kuti muridzi wemusha akautanga nebuilding inofanira kunemwa in honor of him. Manga muchizviziva here kuti pano ndo paishandira Herbert Chitepo mu3rd floor. Vari lawyer machambers avo anga ari pano munguva yerudisha. So this is a historic building. Great people like Herbert Chitepo, Morgan Tsvangirai vakatisira torch yekuleader and yekuleader in an excellent way and excellent manner wherever we are. So topa pano handei takatangura the gospel of smart cities, the gospel of smart villages, smart communities. Kumaruwa tinoita anozima smart communities where we are leading differently because takuda kuunza in alternative kugara kwevanhu nekurarama kwevanhu must show kuti vari kutungamirwa neruoko rune simba ruoko rweMDC. So chibva pano, I'm sure you are all emboldened to make sure kuti kuenda the gospel ye change. Don't change yourself before you change others. Vazhinji munokanganwa moba mati pari kubuda mvura pachitubu ndo panofanira kunge pane uswa unyoro. Uswa unyoro ngauwe kunodiridzwa nechitubu. Chitubu hachizvidiridzi. Chitubu chinenge chichirwara angazi kuti sindebere kuti mguni. Umtogogulani. Yes. You'll be sick if you begin to look at yourself. Councillors must be the last ones to think about themselves. Think about the people you lead. That is the better definition of love. You don't think about yourself. You think about others. Pamsoro Mzuri. Sa minister wedu isa tina local government change. Tina devolution and local government. As you know, in our government we have no more than 15 ministries. One of which is devolution and local government. We are emphasizing local government and devolution. We want decisions to be made where they are enjoyed and where people benefit from them. So Minister of Devolution and Local Government, in terms of our party, our Vice President Waripano, my call in the Leadership Standing Committee, I will not go into my details. Takupeteraka. Maita chinuchikuru nasi. Masaina wirirano a covenant with the party. Kuti takunoita zvimwe zvinhu. Pese pane mhiko pane murayo. Pese pane mutemo pane demo. Pese pane kusainwa zvakuti pane kuparara kwemunhu kana akapera nyika yake. Zvinoambe mutemo tinene caveat subscriptor. Signer beware. Ukasaina usina kuverenga unomonererwa nesignature yako. I hope you read what you signed for. You are signing for loyalty to the cause. You are signing for loyalty to party values. You are signing for loyalty to the citizen values and engagement with the residents to say that we will serve the people to the best of our ability. So it's not something that is out of the ordinary. The solemn declaration is to say, when we then choose to say, you are not walking the path of change, the path of smartness, you have to pave way for those who are working according to our dictates. You will have to comply. That's what you are signing for. You are signing for the real change code of ethics and values, to say these are the values that bind us. You can never be MDC if you are not free from corruption. It's possible to lead people and not steal. It's possible to lead people and make a difference in people's lives. In local authorities, Kumaruzeva, and in urban areas. Now, I'm going to report this morning. Harare, Yakanamna 1890. 1890, Pioneer Columbia, we have 500 men. Wakana wapuwa promises of gold and ounces of gold in that regard. First year, Harare and Ghana stands 2,544. Akaika parceled out. The first must stand. Isajasuka zaidi. Methodist ikakuwa kwetu huko. 1893 kuti iwake yaifana kuwaka. Ndo kama developers and to expand Harare ende kunana Rusape, ende kumazowe, ite vana Beatrice zinge ziri part of Harare. Ma developers agarama. Akati kure atisudeko. But because wanga wasiri kuona the growth and expansion of the city. Harare yakaita a municipal town in 1897. And the first suburb was Mbale. But when I showed her, I shut them wrong. So they introduced the hard tax in 1896. To force people of Maruzeva, when I was not married, hard tax, where could be? Doropa. Where Doropa, or shut Doropa. But you see, about Tambra Futine, one of our Doropa, no, I introduced science, made my 30s, 40s, and Heartlands X. You would know, I want to go to Doropa, or sing a shanty, white to the Wakusha. By Kenya, I never was ever. Zokera kwa choja, zokera kumbale, kwa gutu, zokera kucholocho. It's the same thing for Mlawad. But the point I want to make, Rhodesians akatanga the cities, Bulawayo and Harare, were visionaries. Bakana wari kumberi, do you know what Bakatanga 1890 they had nothing. But by 1898, railway yanga yawako kubera kusuka kuno mara. Almost 9 years. Muno road yogenda kumashingo. Chiko wako every election. Every election no wako. Chitungwiza Harare railway. Yatakuza, it's possible. We don't need to spend 6 months. Ne metro train. You know what my major suburbs. Every day. Man, I don't to drive a private vehicles. You go to Stockholm, you go to Denmark, you go to modern cities. They don't have to struggle. But you drive a motor car. It's a hassle. Ogabinam train is faster, it's more convenient, it's more exciting because these are Wi-Fi enabled trains. So you are able to save and go on Google. Train. And it's also less cost. Because problem chiba pano endai mune moto wekusumudzana kuchinja mafuta. Kweto kuenda nemoto wokuda kunesa marasha ekunoparadza mafuta. Tichikuda muno, Harare must never be the same. What do you want to see, Wamzu? Want to see clean cities. Want to see my streets are well labeled. Want to see my streets are green enabled. Want to see my roads. Want to see my tarred roads. Yes, it's never challenges, but let's have my partnerships. As we live here, let's go and change. Chipinge Road District Council. Tono power a difference of quality life, a difference of the feel of the MDC leadership. Chiza Pamachisa? Chiza. Kukula? Izenzo? Kukula. Let's have smart schools. Let's have smart hospitals, clinics, wherever we are. Obulawai, entutu zetu. Ontutu zetu now we want to see. Yes, you may not be able to do the factories because that's not your habit. But let's see Bulawayo being what it used to be. One of the smartest cities, well organized, well run, and of course, services being delivered in a proper manner. So I want to see more amenities, conference facilities, not community halls, but conference facilities, animal recreational services, animal sports facilities for communities, basketball, tennis. Kwenda kuti munhu akaita senya akakurira pagutu, basketball ndakaiwonera marari. Ndofana kuiwonera muma local communities kwatinokurira. Otherwise they will be better than Kesti Coventry swimming. But I used to swim in an ordinary river where it was crocodile infested. That's why I'm able to deal with crocodiles even after. I would have been better maybe than Kesti Coventry as a swimmer. But because those facilities were not available, there are many others. Variko Kwanapita Job, Manakara Break, Variko, Mana Byron Break, the basketball Variko, better than Mana Jordan. But we don't have those facilities in our communities. So let's go and build smart communities in our various towns and our various cities. Let's go back to Chitungwiza and make life different for the ordinary people in Chitungwiza. Masuwa nayo ZANU-PF. Imini mnofana to make sure that you are able to provide quality services. But we want to eat chinja. Chinja? Maitiro. Maitiro. Chinja. Chinja. Maitiro. Maitiro. Chinja. Let us go back. Kwekwe. Tunuratiza. What are we naming our city? I'm very happy that my resolutions are made. How are we branding the city of Kwekwe? How are we branding the city of Kadogo? How are we branding the town council in Chipinge? What is the common issue there? And 5 critical projects that we are going to say, by next year, these are the deliverables in terms of the projects that we are going to deliver. Think projects, think development, think smart. Mashingo, what are you going to do for the people? Ukaona uli minister, sema minister na wama president. Wakagopinda mgovernment ba 1980 usina cha unopomewa uli chakaitwa kuda kwake. So 5 key projects for each town council. That's the call to action. And I will not develop my cities. What are the major projects Amurukupa in Harare, in Bulawayo, in Rua, in Marondera, in Bindura? Tunakuona those projects in Binga. The people of Binga have supported us through thick and thin. But what are we doing for them? To make sure that we are rewarding their loyalty to the cause, their loyalty to democracy. What are we doing? We can't just behave like we are not the government. We are the government. Muno Harare Muno. Government EMDC. In Bulawayo, government EMDC. In Mutare, government EMDC. In Gweru, government EMDC. In Vicfor, government EMDC. Show it. Government didn't want responsiveness to the people. Let us make sure that we do 5 critical things as I conclude. Number 1, guard our source of autonomy. Make sure that where we have won and conquered, we don't lose to anyone. Number 1, guard your zones of autonomy. How do we lose our zones of autonomy? When we allow ourselves to be below par in service delivery, we lose that zone of autonomy. Local authority is a zone of struggle. Local authority is a zone of delivery. Local authority is a zone of making a difference. Shane We want to see the difference that you are making. In Bedbridge, we want to see the difference you are making. Gwanda, Mayor of Gwanda, we want to see, and I'm very happy. I saw what you have done with the street lighting there. Chireti, they've done very well with their roads. That is what we want to see. Things that we are able to point at and say, this is a smart city, this is a smart community, this is a smart village. God was also for them. Number 2, refuse to be swallowed. A lot of you are being swallowed. Let not the tail wag the dog must wag the tail. The tail is the city clerk, the technical people, the directors. You are the dog, you must bark. But the problem is that we have a dead dog, a sleeping dog, a dog that is not able to bark. Apart from barking, go and bite. Bite in a better way. You don't bite your own. You bite enemies of the struggle. You bite enemies of change. You bite enemies of service delivery. You bite enemies of accountability in communities. Be giants in your own right. Lead. Be able to resist being swallowed. Number 3, be a credible alternative. Now, nobody anger. A credible alternative, what do you do? Counselor must be accessible. The counselor must be available. I was showing what Bombari report. Residents were being asked about accessibility of counselors. 80% say the counselors are not accessible. This was last year. I'm sure it changes now because of our change. 80%. They were saying our counselors are nowhere to be seen. 70% said we voted for a counselor not because we know the counselor, but because we trust the party that they come from. This is in the report. Now, when I would party about Maita, Ugaita Mana Toti, Maya Tamba. And you know that. Kumsha Kunim Baba. No one. Being I don't know Parazom. So my Pinyari Bagataba, no Kumbira Museum, we are in Romara. I'm not Togera Mashura Uko, Zimbabwe Togera. See, I will be a woho, Bagomba, Motor Pia, Mesa Kumba Mara. Mazoka leadership. See, I Kuno stood Tirana Zukuno. Mazokera, go and save people, be a credible alternative. We want our counselors to be accessible, available, and credible in their conduct. We have to be credible and alternative. Let's be credible. Number 4, let's have alternative policies. Those are identified the smart cities concept, the smart communities concept. But programs, ideas, vision. Are we sustainable in what we are doing? Are we green in our policies? Munozizea yotika na mgagamati gondera kudayo election inotiwa munhu anenga asari ndaika. FTC haidyiwe election mu Zimbabwe. Ndiyo inogona kuti idyiwe nezani. Hakuna anodyiwa asina kutenda. We are the dominant party. Tendera kwezi kwa muvenda. MDC ndio party yevanhu. Bari kuchenjere makanselors edu. Kundimuno gonna kuisa entry into our defeat if we don't cut our zones off. As much as the two vision. Let's cut our zones off. Let's be credible. Let us have credible. Talk about it. That is what we want to see. Last but not least, let us embrace technology. Let us embrace technology on WhatsApp, on Twitter, on social media, Instagram. You have to be a modern counselor. Embrace technology. Be a digital citizen, not a digital foreigner. Wajiji yenyu we must strangers to technology. Born before technology. No, let's go and build our capacity as councillors in technology. So tunapoona bill, alifanya kuzimrari kiwa au bill, let there be online billing. Let us see online graphs refuse collection. Let us see payment rates online, the payment system. Let us see my digital systems around through a digital registry. Urban planning is based on data. Let's have data and statistics. My councillor don't make decisions without statistics. Don't pass a technical team. Let's have figures. Data is the future. Data is how we're going to lead. Be modern, embrace technology. Are we together?
Yes.
Are we agreed?
Yes.
We are proud of you. We know that with Makanzlas and Ekabas, because you are committed. And we mayor. Mayor title. Mayor is not just a position, but your proposition. What are you able to give? Now, mayor asili mayor. Mayor asili mayor, uno mayor. Mayor, Mayor from Rwanda. Uti Mayor, we are lightweight. We are pepuka. Yes, we are pepuka civic. So Mayor ngara kizokune depth. Mayor ngara rengi. Mayor ngara kizokuno batani zawali. The mayor must unite people. The mayor can't be a leader of a group. He must be a leader of a team. Yes. There's a difference between leading a team and leading a group. Yes. When you lead a group, it's a ragtag. But when you lead a team, it has goals, it is a particular code, it is a way of doing things, it is a shared goal. You lead a team. Unite people, move with the people. A mayor must not just be an activist, he must be a leader. A leader defines a cause. An activist is defined by a cause. A leader must be able to be a thermostat. Govern the temperature in the room. Not a thermometer. Gauging the temperature. A leader must change the direction and the temperature in the room. The temperature in our city councils. The temperature when we are leading. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud of you. Thank you very much for the love that you showed to the market. Thank you for continuing to be with this party. Thank you for being disciplined. Thank you for being loyal. We are expecting you to work. Nana Engineer Mzuri, our minister, will actually lead the process. He has been one of our most competent mayors when he was still mayor. He has a lot of experience. A great leader is able to lead out of the leadership of others. So kudzidza chinthu chakanaka ene ma MPs atineti nawo shanda yawo nawo zvakadi zvakanaka. Musadhonzera ma MP basi. Even uchiona kuti akawira pasi musimudze worikanzera. Kwenda kuzawa pasi ndotsika-tsika. Jisa jisa. Kukula. Izenzo. Aiwaka, let's get united, let's work together. We have a great party, a true builder. We want to be more in the rural areas. The next meeting we have, tunakuita meeting yotane ma councillors to Maruzeva. Where we have a few, we must have the majority. But it can only be out of hard work, effort, focus, discipline, and loyal to the party. And we'll be able to do that. Kuma Eben, we must not lose. Where we have 28, we must have 32 out of 32. And we can only do that if we have changed our way of leading. This is a great movement. You are a great people. We cannot be smart without smart councillors. Go and lead, go and make the change, go and show the difference, and go and make us proud. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And let's show the difference. Naona damdzikora tanda naona rate zvezvi pamdzuri. Rapa 40 chaps. Zvandakudza ine zuro. Could even if you are a very good counselor, you can't plan under this circumstance. Even if you are an effective father, mother, wife or husband, an educated intellectual nurse, doctor, teacher, when you are so organized, the state disorganizes you.
Yes.
When you are so orderly, the state is in the business of disordering you. When you are a member, you get dismembered by this regime. Unoshaya kuta usimember, engineer mtura. Banda ungechi upepepe usinaka mzoro. Engineer. Because of how things are. If you don't struggle for water, you struggle for power. If you don't struggle for power, you struggle for petrol. If you don't struggle for petrol, you struggle for your cash. If you don't struggle for your cash, you struggle for your drugs in the hospital. If you don't struggle for if you are a pensioner, you struggle for your money that you have to then get out of the bank. You are struggling for everything. And Zimbabweans, this is what you must take as a message back home. Let's fight for our rights.
Yes.
Let us not wait for anyone to tell us to fight. It's natural to fight when you are being fought. It's natural to fight for freedom when you are being oppressed. Let's fight for our people's government. Let's fight for livelihoods. Let's fight to make sure that we liberate ourselves. Inganyika yokuti munhu unoita magenerator, unoita zvibhorani, that's not a country. You focus on the wrong thing. In other countries, talk yokuti inoitwa naMnangagwa yemamochari. They are impeachable kudhara. Because we want to praise the name of Zvakadara, celebrate things Zvakadara. It shows you that he's out of touch with reality. But also his days are numbered. So go out there and lead. Go out there and show difference. Go out there and be our smart representatives. We are not there, but when you are there, we are there. And we thank you for the leadership that you continue to show. Those who are not doing things properly, amend your ways. Those who are doing well, excel in doing well. Those who are able to add something to communities, for smart communities, smart cities, do so that our party is going to be given the glory that it deserves. Thank you very much, Amtrope. Congratulations for this wonderful event. This is the beginning. We will continue to do more capacity building, teaching of our councillors, until we have a smart councillor who is able to provide smart services and smart solutions. Thank you very much. God bless you.